natin padala sa Bitoy.
Shown in 1988, the movie gave us the haunting image of Janice de Belen holding the tiyanak, or the monster baby in her arms. Oh my God! Ang anak ni Janice.
Angelica.
Anak ni Janice. Iconic yan. Pag sinabi mong tiyanak, anak ni Janice. Diba? Ang galing-galing. Ako bilib ako kay Janice. Dahil kumain siya doon eh. Hindi naman siya. Wala siyang Chinese eh. Wala siyang arte na, sabihin ko anak ko yung Janice. Si Chuchu-Chuenye eh.
Tiyanak naman talaga kasi visceral yung scare niya, diba? Yung idea na nag-cute na baby, na nangangagat. Pero more than anything, it's the backstory also na yung mga abortions. Diba, abortionist din yan eh.
Ano kaya mapapadali yan sa Bitoy?
Ewan ko pa.
Pag ang bata, hindi na binyagan, tas namatay, pwede maging tiyanak, yung gano'n.
Ba pwede yung transfer sa city yan?
Yata.
Why did the tiyanak become such a hit among horror fans?
Nanalo yan. Madadala.
Peer-to-peer siya.
Magkakaroon tayo ng camera na
Na?
yung TVC 40 ba yun? Yung gano'n.
Na ginawa niya monster and something supposedly ay isang symbol ng purity and innocence. Kasi ito ginawa siyang demon siya.
Again, it appeals to innocent to, paano mapapatayin, diba? Pero evil, yung gano'n.
Any memorable scenes from this movie that brought back our fears of the monster baby?
Takot ako dyan eh. Trailer pa lang. Kaya hindi ko siya ina-attempt panoorin. Yung nangangagat sa leeg. Ayoko talaga nun. Kakagating ka sa leeg. Kasi parang wala ka lang kakakit. Tapos baby, di ba? Yung pero alam mo naman yung tigas-tigas. Tigas-tigas ng tiyanak natin. Pero nakakatakot.
Pinaka-nakakatakot na eksena para sa akin sa sinihan. Na-unleash yung tiyanak rin sa sinihan. Bata pa ako na. Nung ilan tayo na sunod ng sinihan, nakataas yung pa ako. Pero nung takot ako, baka may tiyanak na biglang kumagat ng hita ako. Eh, di ba, yung sa ilalim ng upuan, pwedeng may baby na biglang gumapang yun.
Nakakak ni Janice, di ba yung baby? Baby, cute. Mali ko, bata niya. Itapon niyo. Parang, naniniwala ba ako sa iyo? Parang ikaw yung malinaw eh.
Bayan ng Aswang at number 4 and Tiyanak, ang baby
Ito ka, lalayan mo na ano yung
at
camera.
number 3. You guys ready for the top two?
Baka gumano na.
Find out after these reminders.
Ikaw Maria May, dito ka. Baka sumubsob yan, tamagyan ka lang. Maupo ka lang dito.
Next on cue. Millions have tried it. The Halik meter proves it.
I read about the mouthwash freshness.
Galing, may mouthwash pa rin Close-Up. Halika na, try new Close-Up with Active Clean Mouthwash today.
It's time for Palmolive Fashion Girl Hair Chica! To get into the hippest hair trend, you gotta keep your hair long and soft. So you can curl it, braid it, sweep it up, or...
Parang sumasayaw ka lang.
New Palmolive Fashion Girl Long and Soft Shampoo has 100% natural sunflower and fruit extract. Makes my long hair so soft. So totally me. That's the latest hair chica from Palmolive Natural Fashion Girl Long and Soft.
The best thing about C2, 100% natural green tea leaves, brewed and bottled on the same day, capturing the health benefits of green tea. C2 Immunity, C2 Health.
Kailangan mo ng liquid. Rubitusin liquid. May liquid formula na quick absorb, quick epekto. Ang mabilis sa ubo, Rubitusin liquid.
Magaling na ako.
Rubitusin.
Soft, liquid.
Of all the anti-aging creams out there, shouldn't you choose what's best for you? Pond's Age Miracle is unique. Its advanced CLA4 complex is proven to reduce wrinkles and age spots in just 7 days. Pond's Age Miracle.
Good morning. Do you know bacteria are building up in your mouth right now?
Seriously?
Let's do an oral scan. That's bacteria building up.
But I brush every morning.